Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Dutch ebook before it's gone.
Hi everybody, my name is Thomas. Welcome to the 2000 Core Dutch Words and Phrases video series. Each lesson will help you learn new words, practice, and review what you've learned. Okay, let's get started. First is kort, short. Kort, kort, short. Kort haar, short hair. Kort haar. Merk, brand. Merk, merk. Brand. Naar welk merk computer bent u op zoek? Which brand of computer are you looking for? Naar welk merk computer bent u op zoek? Maat. Size. Maat. Maat. Size. Welke maat broek draag je? What size pants do you wear? Welke maat broek draag je? Stijl. Style. Stijl. Stijl. Style. Coole stijl. Cool style. Coole stijl. Modieus. Fashionable. Modieus. Modieus. Fashionable. Modieuze sjaal. Fashionable scarf. Modieuze sjaal. Loszittend. Loose. Loszittend. Loszittend. Loose. Loszittende pasvorm. Loose fitting. Loszittende pasvorm. Strak. Tight. Strak. Strak. Tight. Strakke pasvorm. Tight fit. Strakke pasvorm. Net. Niet. Net. Net. Niet. Net bureau. Niet desk. Net bureau. Zijde. Silk. Zijde. Zijde. Silk. Kleding van zijde. Silk clothing. Kleding van zijde. Medium. 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 Maat medium. Size medium. Maat medium. Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud. First, you'll hear a word or phrase in English. Respond in Dutch and repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say short? Kort. Kort. And how to say brand? Merk. Merk. What about size? Maat. Maat. Do you remember how to say style? Stijl. Stijl. Let's try fashionable. Modieus. Modieus. What about loose? Loszittend. Loszittend. Now let's see if you remember how to say tight. Strak. Strak. Another one. What about neat? Net. Net. Do you remember how to say silk? Zijde. Zijde. And finally, do you remember how to say medium? Medium. Medium. Well done. See you next time. Tot ziens.